Hey guys, it's me Chaz. We're back here in the mountainside of Goa. Just here proving to you once again that there's more to Goa than just beaches and booze. Come and join me on this exciting trail. Let's go explore. So guys, we are in the area today of Valpoi and we're looking for a small village by the name of Pal or Pali, and from there we're going to be looking for the Shivling Waterfalls. Don't forget guys, the monsoon comes with its own kind of dangers, leeches being one of them. Sounds awful, but if you just carry just a little bit of salt with you on these hikes in the monsoon, they're absolutely harmless. You sprinkle a little salt on them and they'll just fall off to the floor. So here we are looking for Shivling Waterfalls. With the car parked up, we very quickly found that this trail was not going to be as easy as we thought it would be, especially without another single soul around.
We're not sure which way to go, and we're also not sure whether we'll find our way back to the car because it's kind of hidden in the forest. And hey ho, we'll have to leave some markers out. I've seen all this on TV, don't worry about a thing.
Thankfully, in the middle of nowhere, we came across this young chap who happily agreed to take us to the falls and, more importantly, see us back again safely. At least now we can enjoy the trek.
Well, once again we got seriously lost and was heading in the wrong direction, so we've managed to find a local who's going to take us there. Mind you, he thinks we're the same age as him. He's powering ahead there, you know what I mean, and his paces are taking a toll on us. Anyway, off you go, mate. Caption video me. Oh, you laugh. So advice guys, if you fancy doing this one, definitely worth trying to find a local and getting him to take you, because this path is really narrow. You'd have never found it, and even if you did find it, you'd be pretty worried that you was going in the wrong or the right direction. Hopefully we're nearly there and we can show you the beauty of the place.
Way is too danger.
Very, very dangerous. Yeah, thanks for that. As you can see, that's a sheer drop from this path. This is proper mountain climbing, and
What he says. Camera is waterfall.
no. Come on, man. I wasn't actually filming you.
It's so slippery.
I wasn't filming you, I was filming a bit of a...
Oh, God.
So, guys, once again, we've overcome every obstacle that's been put in front of us, and I'm sure you'll all agree it's been worth the journey. There we are, guys, we made it. For now, see you next time.